Good morning, good morning. In smile you, say it with me, say it with me. Because of YouTube, I gotta try to stop saying that at the first few minutes of the video. The ducks. Smile, you ducks. Most of you obviously would get what I'm really trying to say. No goodies in the garbage. Yeah, even though I'm using that word in a harmless way. So it is Friday, September, is it the 15th? Wednesday was 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so today's either the 14th or 15th of September. Huh. There's a can over there. Garbage pick. But it might have bees in it. Puppies. See the puppies? I don't know if that worked at all. I did that kind of fast because I didn't want people to think I'm recording their house. Okay, so today, September 14th/15th, the year's 2023. Here's something I could talk about. I'm sure many of you out there are paying attention to the Weather Channel in the hurricane that's coming up, traveling northwest. It would be traveling, but it's going to hit the east, if that makes any sense. But yeah, it's like instead of just going straight north from the south, it's cutting over to the west. But it's going to hit the east coast of the United States. And guess what? It's most likely going to hit around the 22nd, 23rd, 24th. And I find that to be interesting because there's many truther channels or conspiracy channels that have made videos years ago about something happening on 9/23. It's all in the movies and all kinds of stuff. You know, the movies, the Simpsons, the cartoons. And that hurricane's going to be hitting around the 23rd. And if it hits in as bad as what people say it will, that's going to take out the power and cause a blackout and flooding, and because it's not natural, it's man-made. I can't even think of a time that a hurricane hit the East Coast. I'm sure it has, but what else? So you heard it here first. So if something bad happens on 9/23, you'll know that we're not bullshitting. All these unnatural disasters, not natural, all these planned fires and hurricanes and storms. Yes, Michigan doesn't have the best weather, but as a kid, every summer was nice. Now it's like gloomy and rainy. Yeah, we had some nice days, but it was a very rainy summer in the wettest August I've ever experienced in my lifetime here in Michigan. It never once got dry or above 90 or like, you know what I mean. It was maybe low 90s for a little bit. This is how my brain is in the morning. It's like it takes 2 hours to wake up. But sometimes when I just start jibber jabbing, or whatever you call that, it helps me to wake up. Oh, yes. They give me bottles. Woohoo! I gotta take those back before work. Okay, so this will be a short video. This is just warning you guys and letting you guys know that something on the 23rd is gonna happen. Like, big time. Not like a bird's gonna fly and hit your window type. Like a big natural, a big unnatural disaster. Okay, this is O.M.I, Old Man Ignorant. I'm out. Peace. Love you.